look at this Model A here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1930 Ford Model A Roadster Rumbleseat car, and this one is a sweetheart. As you can see, two-tone red and black paint combination with a saddle interior as well as a saddle convertible top. Take a look at the chrome up front. Bumper looks good. Radiator guard, radiator surround. Where's the headlight buckets? Chrome looking good up front on this one. Underneath that hood, 201 cubic inch L-head inline 4-cylinder paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Red and black paints. Both look good on this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Spoked wheels, wide white walls for that great look. This car would be so fun for parades in the summer, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Don't see them this nice every day. Of course, the step back here for getting into the rumble seat, and the lower one back by the bumper. Seating surfaces, again, saddle colored vinyl and also in nice shape. Then take a look at this combination with the spare tire in the trunk back here. Of course, this can be removed and the actual holder will then fold up, kind of parallel with the spare tire, if you will. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. There's also some kind of rock guards that do go over the headlights. They're right there. They're in vinyl, and those will fit on over the tops of the headlights. I'll try to remember to get a picture of that for the still pictures so you can see that. We also have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself? Not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. If you like these old classic cars, maybe you like more modern sports cars, Corvettes, Mustangs, maybe like square body trucks or lifted trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might see come up on a video on that channel. Videos are uploaded daily. Vehicles that we have here and are available to purchase. And again, you can see the paint looks as good on the driver's side as it did the passenger side. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer look. Door panels look good. Seats are free of rips, tears, holes. And of course, gas pedals here. The starter is up right in this area underneath the rug. Just push starter, gas shut off. I do have it on. Levers going up and down. It will turn towards the driver's side. And of course, choke. Shouldn't really need that. We're inside, and this has been one of the better running Model A's I've been in. That's how it starts every time I've started this car and went to move it. Let's take a look at the gauge. Looks like a voltmeter down here, so assuming that may be unhooked, going off of this. Let's make sure that we are in neutral, which we are. Slip around to the back here. So you can hear it run. Good sounding car, smooth runner. That distinct Model A sound. All right, I'm gonna pause this 1 second. I wanna get one or both sides of the hood open so we can check out that engine bay. I'll put the top up, we're gonna check that out, and then stick around to the very end of this video. We're gonna take this car for a drive so you can actually see how it goes down the road. Here's the hood open on the passenger side. A little more stuff going on, so that's why I opened this side up. Show you the carburetor, downdraft of course, air cleaner there, intake and exhaust manifold, nice clean tidy engine bay, smooth running engine. Again, inline 4-cylinder, 201 cubic inch L head. Want a quick mention too, all steel. Fenders are steel on this one, body steel, so we are all steel. And a couple things in the interior I forgot I want to add on real quick before we look at the top. I noticed that the seatbelt had slid under their seatbelts for both passengers. And there is the good old, the Auga horn switch is under the dash down by the steering column. Make sure I let you know about that. All right, let me button this thing back up, get the top up, and we'll check out that convertible top and then take it for a drive. And let's check it out with the top up. So nice fit above the windshield. And this would be camel colored fabric, kind of a canvas almost, if you will. Nice tight fit. Looks good with the top up also. This is rear glass here. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Say the condition of the top is like the rest of this car. Nice shape. Around here to the passenger side, again, you can see nice tight fit, good condition. No rips, tears, or holes. 1930 Ford Model A Roadster, good looking Model A. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1930 Ford Model A. This is a manual transmission on the floor. We do have the soft top up today. There are not side windows on this car, so it may be a little noisy. Nice driving, nice riding, easy to shift car. Idled right away, purrs nicely. Our speedometer is working. Right now it shows 40 miles an hour. Battery's charging at 14 volts on a gauge down below that. Our amps are a little less than 0 in the center of the gauge. And the fuel is pretty full according to that gauge. These cars are fairly simple, not a whole lot to go wrong. This one is a reliable runner and a good looking car. Let's take the roundabout with it. You do get sometimes a little noise between the gears. That's just the way these cars are. Corners nicely. Nice smooth ride. See all the pictures under that hood, underneath this car, in the rumble seat, in the back, at uniqueclassiccars.com.